Used to be stronger than me.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing another what's in my bag tag. I love doing these videos and I know you guys do too because you can see all the different types of bags I have and what fits inside and maybe find a new bag for yourself. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, then please do so. There's direct links down below. But without further ado, let's get started. My dress is from H&M. My earrings are from Shop CY. They are the Remy hoops. And my bag, as you can see next to me, is also from Shop CY. There will be direct links to this bag down below, so make sure you check out Shop CY. But let's go ahead and see what's inside. So I've seen this bag all over Instagram. I featured it in my 22nd birthday haul. The new Raffia natural style bags are really in for summer. I mean, they're just super cute. There was a bag like this at Madewell that I saw for like $160. It was so expensive. But this one here was $64, which is kind of steep. But to be honest, I wanted a bag that wasn't gonna break on me. With these natural style bags, you do wanna get one that is a little bit pricier just to make sure that the quality is there and like it's durable. And you're getting it from like a reliable place. But let's take a look and see what's inside of this Bali bag. That's what it's called. I love the color of it. I haven't seen a bag this honey-toned color. But the first thing I'm pulling out of my bag is my vlogging camera. Oops. This is the Olympus EPL8 and it's got the 14 to 42 millimeter lens on it. This is the camera that I vlog with. I love this camera because the screen pops down and I can just kind of, you know, do my thing. I'm not gonna go into too much like vlogging detail and stuff, but if you want a separate video, I'd be happy to do a review or something about, you know, a video about how I vlog and different things like that. So if you're interested in that, then comment down below and let me know. I'd be happy to film one of those for you guys. But I carry this around to take my Instagram photos as well. It's really on the go, super handy, and it gives me that great depth of field, that blurry background effect that you will see in some of my Instagram photos. The next thing in my bag are my Airpods, and I love these so much. My boyfriend got them for me for my birthday this year, and I've used them every day since I've gotten them. When I'm outside and it's really loud and noisy, I go on phone calls with my Airpods because it's easier for me to hear. When I'm FaceTiming people while I'm shopping, it's easier for me to hear them. So I do use these a lot, like when I'm waiting for my brother to finish his SAT class and stuff. All right, so the next thing I have in my bag are my car keys. Nothing special, just car keys. I'm gonna set that down right there. The next thing I have is my lipstick that I've been wearing literally nonstop. I just came back to this, but L'Oreal is my favorite drugstore brand by far. They have amazing products. The L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara and Waterproof is my go-to mascara, but this one is the collection exclusive JLo's Nude, Jennifer's Nude 370 is what it's called. It's just the perfect lip color for me. It has a pretty neutral undertone so that most skin tones could wear this, pull off this nude, but I'm obsessed with it. It's got the most amazing consistency. It feels glossy and moisturizing, but you get the color payoff so it's not too sheer. I definitely recommend this nude the next time you pop into your drugstore. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it looks good on my lips? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to know. But yeah, that's just gonna go right over here. The next thing in this bag, I love how light this bag is too. It's just so light to like, I don't know, it's just so light. I love it. The last thing I have is like my wallet, I guess. It just has my driver's license and credit card, as well as some cash wrapped around in a hair tie. I misplaced my Kate Spade credit card wallet. I have no idea where it is, so that's why I'm doing this right now. Yeah, there's no real reason why I'm carrying it like this. I just didn't want it to be all over my bag and fall out and stuff. My regular Michael Kors wallet does not fit in this bag because it is too big, and it's rectangular and doesn't fit inside the circle. But that is everything that's inside of this bag. It's honestly such a great day to night bag, such a great date night bag for the summer. Even though it doesn't hold too much, it holds everything that you would need. This bag has gone perfectly with all of my summer outfits. This dress here, other dresses I've worn this on my date nights, and it's just so cute and perfect. I will rate this bag a 9 out of 10, only because when you first get this bag, it does smell, and that's because they like put chemicals or something to preserve the bamboo to make sure it's like strong and sturdy, which it is, and I'm really happy with that. But you do have like a scent so you do need to air it out for a couple of days. It does go away, but that is the only reason why I would give it a 9 out of 10. The price point I love, but I will also be looking for any other options and other styles of the raffia style bags down in the description too, so check those out if you want to shop those items as well. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my what's in my bag tag, and if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them down below. I'd be happy to interact with you guys and answer all of your questions. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!
Just to be stronger than me. You've been here 7 years longer than me. Don't you know you're supposed to be the man?